commonly used Internet terms. There are some basic terms that are associated with Internet are World Wide Web. The World Wide Web is a small part of the Internet. The World Wide Web refers to the largest collection of information in the form of websites on the Internet. The information can be a combination of text, graphics, audio, video, etc. Web page. A web page is the basic unit of every website. A web page is the same as a page in a book. A web page may contain text, images, photographs, sound, or video. Website.
A website is a collection of linked web pages.
The first page of a website, which is displayed by default, is called a home page. The web is a collection of websites. There are millions of websites that contain many web pages. URL. Uniform Resource Locator. Each web page or website has a unique address called a Uniform Resource Locator or URL. The URL is the specific address of a web page. To access a website, you first need to enter its web address or URL in address bar of the browser. Then, the web browser sends a request to a web server. The web server then locates the files and downloads it to your computer. Finally, the web browser displays the page on your screen. The URL or the web addresses of websites start with http:// The address of some websites such as bank, e-commerce, etc. start with https://. Here, S stands for secure, which means the website is secured for browsing. Web browser. A browser is also called a web browser. It is an application software that looks for web pages and displays them on your computer or device. When you enter a keyword related to the specific information you want to search for, the browser displays the results in the form of links to the web pages. Some popularly used web browsers are Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, etc. Hyperlink. In a website, you can see texts or images that are underlined and highlighted in blue, which on clicking gives you access to another page, document, or image. This text or image is called hyperlink. It is also called as links. Downloading. Getting the data from the host computer, that is server, to the client computer, that is user's computer, is known as downloading. You can download innumerable games, music, videos, movies, and other entertainment software from the Internet. Uploading. Copying the data from the client computer, that is user's computer, to the host computer, that is server, is known as uploading. This process is generally used when you want to send some photographs, articles, or files to your friends, family, etc. Internet Service Provider, ISP. ISP is a company that provides you the internet connection and services for an annual or monthly fee.
Some popular ISPs in India are BSNL, Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited, Jio, Airtel, BI, Vodafone Idea, etc.
Search engine. Search engine is a web tool which allows users to search or look up for desired information of the Internet. Some of the popular search engines are Google, Yahoo, Bing, etc. Using a search engine.
Every search engine allows the user to enter a keyword related to the information he wants to search for and displays a list of related websites.
To use a search engine, follow these steps. Step 1. Open a web browser. Step 2. Open a search engine. For example, type www.google.com. Step 3. In the search box, type the keyword related to the information you are looking for. For example, type APJ Abdul Kalam. Step 4. Press Enter key or click Search button. A list of related websites will be displayed. Step 5. Click on the link you find most relevant and read the information.